So we just got out of church. This morning was crazy, so I didn't get to video. Plus I have to video on my phone because I broke my camera this morning. It's been one of those mornings. But on a good note, Deacon stayed in the nursery through the whole service. It's the first time he's done it since we've been here. So that made church so much better this morning. And Paisley and Cassie and Peyton all went to Sunday school. I was by myself, I was alone, but it was still a really good service. What are you doing?
Looking for that pen.
It's right here. Why do you need it?
I want to do my paper.
I have to fill it out, don't I?
We have another one.
How was church, Peyton?
Amazing.
Paisley, how was Sunday school? Get that out of your mouth. Deacon, you were a good boy.
But
So
he cried.
good.
He cried.
Were you good?
He cried.
What? Yeah.
When I get bigger, I'm going to go to Strike You.
You can sit with me anytime you want to. We got lunch. And we're going to take it to the marina to go eat and just enjoy the water. And all the kids pitched a fit because they wanted to get in the water. So, we came home and got our swimsuits on. Peyton. I thought it'd be cool. It's a gorgeous day. And we felt like it did not need to be spent indoors. So, it's a little crowded at the beach, but we're going anyway. I feel safer going to the beach when there's a lot of people because I'm one adult versus 4 kids. So like if the older kids are in the water and something happens, I'm either going to need somebody to keep Deacon or save the other ones. So the fact that there was a lot of people at the beach made me want to go. It's so pretty today, especially after it rained all day yesterday. I mean all day. It didn't even like pour rain, it was just sprinkling. Peyton. I can't get anybody's name right today.
Yes.
Trying to look all cool over there. Sorry kids. I don't want any lemonade or whatever you're trying to sell.
Lemonade?
I don't know what they were trying to sell, but they were yelling at me to stop. Everybody drives so fast here. Like 25 miles per hour. God, it's crazy. Is that funny?
Yes.
Whatever. Wait, is everybody in here?
Yeah.
Roll call.
I am Cassie. Yep. Paisley. And who's driving the car?
I'm driving the car.
Mom's not here. Dun, dun, dun. Who's driving the car?
Deacon went da da da. That's sweet. You're not. Who's not here?
Paisley.
Oh no, we left Paisley. Aw. Well, she can go next time.
Oh my gosh.
We'll just leave her home. Maybe she won't notice.
Yeah. Not even close here yet.
Okay.
Hi. Hi there. Glasses. You want to see him? Okay. Now look through the glasses.
Cassie, you okay?
Can you see me now? Can you see me? Of course you can.
Paisley.
Yeah. Ow. Ow, 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 ow. I poked myself in the eye. My glasses. Yeah, Yeah, you know me,
Did
Peyton.
you say you teleported in your seat?
How can you teleport to a seat? Tell me right now. Okay, you don't have to tell me right now. But tell me. Okay, bye. Bye-bye.
We just got out of the beach, out of the water. Well, the kids did. Beach was a success. It was really pretty. The water was kind of cold, but It was hot enough that it worked out. It was fun. Now the sun's kind of going away. And we're going to go home and cook some dinner. And
Hey, Mom,
take
where are my
baths.
sunglasses?
I have no idea. Paisley. Peyton.
Paisley.
Alright, we're getting out of the car now.
Bye. I'm gonna leave you in here.
I guess we're staying in the car. Me and Cass made dinner.
Curry, chicken curry.
We have
Potato curry.
fallen in love with
What?
curry.
I don't know why
Oh
I
my
just
gosh.
did that.
That's so good.
I was trying to take a bite out of the bread.
We just took it out of the oven.
It burns. My hands hurt because it's so hot. Hot.
So, it's 8 o'clock and we're going to end the vlog. Because we're tired and we're full.
I'm tired.
I need you to get tired because
I'm not.
I'm pretty freaking tired.
I'm wide awake.
Do you need Benadryl?
No.
You're still going to bed early. Because we played outside in the water all day today.
I'm tired.
You will be when you go to bed. Alright. Alright, we're ending the vlog. Goodbye and God bless.
Bye.